Today we're going to be looking at a starter kit from Diamond Dotz. It's about 3 inches by 3 inches. Very easy to do. You can get it in a frame afterwards. The fabric is really floppy, much different than the magnets. The magnets are a hard magnet. Your kit will come with all the Diamond Dot colors that you need. This one only has 4. And then it comes with your picker-upper. This goes on top of that. This is your little wax to stick the diamonds on. And then a little tray for you to put the diamonds in while you're working. So the first thing you're going to want to do is check whatever color you're going to work on. I'm going to start at the top, and you've got A1 is this little black circle, which is all these little black circles in here. So then you're going to take your A1 beads, put them in your tray. And the neat thing about the tray is if you shake it around, the beads will fall into place right side up. So I'm going to take apart my wax, or take the little sheet off of it so we can use it. And then I'm going to take the sheet off of my design. Since this is a very small design, I'm just going to take the whole sheet off. If you were working on a large design, you're going to want to take it off in pieces so that you don't ruin them, because this is all sticky right here. This is where your beads are going to stick. So you're just going to take your little tool here, get it in the wax so that you have a little piece of wax on your tool, grab a dot, and then put it on the symbol where it's supposed to be. And then you're going to fill in your whole design like that until it's done.